Chapter 15 covers communication, and one of the big takeaways in Chapter 15 starts on page 288 that discusses the major barriers to effective communication. And some of those barriers are what we call noise. So these are some of the examples of noise where we have poor expression, physical distractions, poor written or oral communication. Those are some of the cell phones. Those can be a noise or a distraction. They talk about the different communication channels. So using the appropriate communication channel is very important and can be a barrier to effective communication. These are some of the examples, again, for successful presentations. But nonverbal communication can be noise or a barrier to effective communication. Sending mixed messages to people. Your posture, sometimes what our posture or nonverbal saying interferes with the message. Sometimes we filter information to make it more favorable, so that can be a barrier to communication. Physical distractions, talked a little bit about that. So this is the part I really want you to focus on from chapter 15, are those barriers to effective communication.